Holy guacamole! We are making the best guacamole you've ever tasted today. Hi, I'm Summer from spicyperspective.com, and today we are making a simple and perfect guacamole recipe. Who doesn't like guacamole, right? It's the perfect dip for tortilla chips. It's fantastic, dolloped on all your Mexican favorites, and it's so easy to make at home. So let's get started. All right, so let's get started. In my opinion, to make the best traditional guacamole, you need 7 ingredients: fresh ripe avocados, fresh limes, garlic, jalapeno, cilantro, scallions, and tomatoes. These ingredients come together to make such a fresh, wonderful blend that's cool with spicy notes, that's smooth and silky with chunky little bits. It's perfection, guys. So when you're picking avocados at the market, it's important to test them a little bit. You want them to be soft but not mushy on the inside. And one little trick that I've learned is you can actually pull off the little belly button on the end to see the color. And if it's a bright green and it smells like fresh avocado, it's usually a nice ripe avocado. That way you don't have to squish all the avocados in the grocery store and ruin them for everybody else. The sniff test. If you are sensitive to spicy things, you're going to want to sniff your jalapeno to see how spicy it is before you add it to the guacamole. I like to cut off the end of any chili pepper and just give it a little, just to see. If it smells spicy, guys, it's spicy. If it smells mild, it's mild. Now you're going to want to enjoy your guacamole immediately because guacamole does have a tendency to oxidize or turn brown really quick. If you want to make this guacamole recipe ahead, you do one of two things. You can either place the pits down in the guacamole because magically the pits have a way of keeping the guacamole from browning. Or use some plastic wrap and just make sure to press it down over the entire surface of the guacamole so there's no air bubbles. That will keep your guacamole fresh for at least a few hours before serving. This guacamole recipe is fabulous on its own, but guys, you can mix it up as much as you want with add-ins. Try mixing in blue cheese, bacon, chorizo, fresh mango, pineapple. The sky is the limit. Have fun with your guacamole this summer. And to get this recipe, visit spicyperspective.com.